Okay, we're going to talk about root words. A root word is the simplest form of a word. When you read an unfamiliar word, you can look at its root word and then use the root word to figure out what the word means. For example, the word rewrite. The root word write means to use a pen, use a pencil, and write something and put something down on paper. If we put it together with our prefix re, which means to do it again, we know that this means you're going to put something down on paper again. Rewrite. Lovable, when we look for the root word in lovable, we know it's not L-O-V because that's not a word. Sometimes when we put a suffix or a prefix on, we need to change the word, and in this case we get rid of the E, so the root word in lovable would be love. And we know that able, the suffix able, means you're able to do something. So with the root word, lovable means able to love something. Looking at this sentence, excuse me, Juanita thought carefully as she considered the man's offer. The man seemed caring and considerate. So if we look at the highlighted word considerate, to figure out what the root word is, we have to think about what might have been added on to this word. So in considerate, I know that the root word would be consider. Take away the ate that they added on as the suffix, and we know that considerate might mean thoughtful of others, because consider means to think about something. So knowing the root word, consider, means to think about something, then we know considerate, and using the clues, the man seemed caring and considerate, means that you're caring for other people, you're thoughtful of others. Now let's take a look at this word. When Juanita got home, Mama was upset with her decision. Looking at that word decision, okay, we know that if we take away the S-I-O-N, which is our suffix, the word D-E-C-I, not a word, so we know that something had to be added on to that. Decide would be our root word in decision. We had to take away the D-E to add on the S-I-O-N. Decide means to think it over. When you decide something, you think about it. Decision, using what it says in the clues here, was upset with her decision. That is what she had decided. So we can tell by the root word decide, which means to think something over, decision means what she decided. Using the context clues and using what we know about the root word, we can figure out what decision means. Going to our next one, Juanita's curiosity grew and she peeked from under the table. So curiosity is our highlighted word. We can see that the root word is curious. Okay, curious. If curious means to wonder about, when you're curious about what's going on outside, you're wondering about it. So curious means to wonder about something. So curiosity, Juanita's curiosity grew. We know that that is something to do with wondering. It means the ability to wonder. So we can see that Juanita was able to wonder about what was going on under the table. So we can figure out what that word means by figuring out the root word. The root word, if we know what curious means, we can figure out what curiosity means. So remember, the root word is the most simplest form of the word. So when we look at a word, think about what that root word could be. What is the simplest form of that word? Curious out of curiosity. Then we can think about what that root word means to help us understand what that word means that we might not be familiar with.